But this is a good spot, isn't it, Tom? I'm filming for YouTube anyway. Hey viewers, we're at the Yorkshire Pullman. This one's going to Scarborough today. Go. We're going to see this one back now after a massive missing of it the last few days. I will do my channel for as soon as I finish it. Yeah. Yeah, so your headphones is also owned by. I also saw this as a. Hiya. Morning. In hand control, down class. Facing practice. This. So it's certainly a lovely engine, isn't it?
It's not bad.
You're glad it's back now after massive repairs after the 90 mile an hour failed.
Well, it's only the middle engine which needed repairs. The rest
was alright, was it?
The rest was fine, just looked over everything.
Really? Is it going to try again maybe one point at 90 mile an hour?
Not this year.
What?
Not this year, there's no need to this year. The programme doesn't require it.
Yeah.
But they only ever run at that if the economics dictate it.
Yeah. May I look inside?
Again?
May I look inside?
Yeah, sure.
Excuse me. Oh, sight. That's what I call a lovely engine, isn't it?
Not bad.
Just feeling a lovely engine because my video camera loves it fire. But it's certainly nice to have it back now after when you had a fail with the 90 mile an hour. Do you remember that?
Fingers crossed.
Yeah, hope nothing more can go on this time. I don't fancy doing 90 mile an hour again this year at one point.
No idea.
But it is worth it, isn't it? And it's always good to get the pressure up to 200 psi, isn't it?
Yeah. We've got to sit here to quarter past, haven't we?
Yeah. That's why I like going for YouTube, really. Yeah. Looks like.
Thank you. Come 27,000 K to see this. I missed the footplate on 38 and 1 on the last one. So.
Just do like that. There we go. Want to sit in the seat? Get a photo of the cab? So just let gentlemen have a sit in the seat and they can have a...
Yeah, sure.
I've got the...
Sure.
Sit in the
Sorry
side
about
of the side.
Yeah, the farm side.
You have a good load of Pullmans today. It's been a while since the last one. It was did one in 2006. Remember that one? Were you there that day? Or? No. I was.
The number. Yeah, lovely.
Okay, you need to take a photo of the business end.
Oh,